Hi everyone and welcome to Euphoria. This video is part of my Halloween series and today we're gonna get really spooky. Today I'm gonna show you a super easy way to create fake wounds using things that you probably already have in your kitchen cupboard. This will add that realistic touch to your Halloween costume. Now let's get started. In this video, I'll show you how to create bruises, realistic wounds, and wounds with glass shards. We're gonna start off by creating a paste for the wounds. The paste is real simple and it contains only natural ingredients that you probably already have in your home. You'll find the recipe in the description. Just mix all of the ingredients together and this is what the paste is supposed to look like when it's ready. I'm starting off by adding on a small amount of paste with a makeup brush. I try to smooth out the paste as much as possible around the edges to create a seamless look. With this paste you can create whatever shape you want to. I just improvised. I'm using a toothpick to create the wound opening. When you're satisfied with the shape of the wound, you'll have to leave it to dry for a while. And meanwhile we wait for that to dry, let's proceed by creating the wounds with the glass shards. I'm not as meticulous about smoothing out the edges on these ones, because I imagine these wounds should be a little bit more raised than the one we made earlier. As glass shards, I'm using a disposable plastic cup that I cut into appropriate pieces. Make sure you attach the glass shards before the paste dries. Now I'm gonna leave these to dry for about 10 minutes before continuing. Now 10 minutes has passed and the paste is not completely dry, and that is just the way I want it. I want it to be a little bit moist to make sure that the makeup attaches properly to the paste. I'm using a regular eyeshadow as a foundation for the wounds. The shade is red, but it's leaning towards brown and plum, and I think it's a perfect shade for these wounds. Now I'm proceeding with filling in the wound openings with a black eyeliner. Now let's add the final details to these wounds. I'm simply using fake blood for this. I'm filling in the wound opening, but also letting some of it pour out of the wound. Now these wounds are finished, so let's continue by creating the bruises. I'm starting off by creating the bruises with a Plum eyeliner. And then I'm continuing on with the same eyeshadow that I used for the wounds. I'm covering the eyeliner completely, but also going outside of the area to create a more realistic look. And now I think we're ready for this year's Halloween. I hope you got some inspiration for your Halloween costume. Thank you for watching this video with Euphoria. If you think this video was inspirational, please remember to subscribe to the channel and give this video a like. This will help me to be able to create more inspiring videos for you guys. Also make sure to check out my other videos for more DIYs, crafts and inspiration.